Have you ever tried turning your AI-generated image into a video and then thought, wait, why does this look so weird and fake? The image looked absolutely stunning, perfect lighting, amazing details. But as soon as it starts to move, everything just falls apart. The face starts melting, the eyes blink out of sync, and the whole motion feels off, almost robotic. That's one of the biggest issues AI creators are facing right now. Image generation tools like Midjourney or Leonardo make beautiful stills, but most AI video tools still struggle to master motion. Why? Because generating a still image and animating it are two completely different challenges. An image model focuses on static details, textures, lighting, composition. A motion model tries to create smooth, natural movement, but when those two don't communicate properly, things go wrong. That's when your AI character looks perfect in one frame and totally warped or stretched in the next. You see the face flicker, the clothes shift, or the background starts morphing like it's made of jelly. Even top tools like Runway, Kaiber, and Pika labs face this problem because they generate motion frame by frame, reimagining your subject every single time. That's why AI still struggles to keep things consistent from start to finish. So now I want to hear from you. Which AI tool gives you the most trouble when converting images into videos? Is it face distortion, weird movement, or prompts not matching animation? Drop your experiences in the comments. I'll feature and discuss them in the next video. Let's make this a place where we fix AI together. Simple, honest, and real.